Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor Vatsalji Patel from Civil Engineering Department working at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center Navsari. Today we are going to discuss about who is a contributor. So, who is a contributor? The person who concern for human beings, like whatever the condition, he will try to help them, like take responsibility in any situation, whether it is extremely worse or anything else. Also put team success before personal success, whether you work on some projects or some task or goal, he will put team success before his personal success and take pride in doing their work, whichever is it is not related like too big or too small for them. So we can find this type of quality in contributor. Next we are going to see examples of contributor. So the contributor, citizen or people give their contribution in cleaning their street just to keep their city clean and healthy. So here you can see in the image local children are sweeping the street to make it clean. So each and every individual have to clean their workplace or their house. So it is not like that it is a small work, I can do that, or I have not to do that. This type of behavior is not taken into account. The contributor always think about clean and healthy condition for their workplace as well as their city and country. Next, the contributor, young person who respect old person. He always show courtesy towards the old person. He use offers to talk with him. So here you can see one young lady is helping an old age one. So many of us have like he or she is an old one. Why should I help him? What will be it look like? So that type of behavior should not be there. The contributor always use to speak with software and talk with the old age persons and always try to help them. Next, the contributor team leader always increase the morale of member as well as encourage and motivate the member and to achieve the goal, and also involve to suggest anything if it is right, then they also implement. So being a team leader, it not means you have some take action and others should follow it. It will be about unity. If you work in unity, you can achieve every goal, and you also for that you have to take suggestion from your team also and put into the work. Next, here is the main one which we very well know. The contributor, citizen or people who follow the rule of traffic because to avoid the accident and who follow uniformly traffic law. All of us know the traffic law, but so many times we break it. So it is better to follow the traffic rule always. And why should not follow it? Because if we not follow it, there are chances of accident. So the contributor always try to follow the rules made by the governments. Next, difference between contributor and non-contributor. Let us see some of example of it. Like a contributor principles example we are going to take. Here is one student who need help in project from the principal. So principal will say, okay, don't worry, I will guide you. So it is contributor type behavior. Whereas in case of non-contributor, the principal will answer that I have so many work, you have faculty guide, you should consult to them and they will guide you. So here is the attitude of non-contributor principal. Next, here is one example that the contributor is always committed to the responsibility of his role. In first one, here we can see the contributor who is ready to work even after its working time is over. So if any work is given to him, he will say, don't worry sir, work will be completed before I leave. In case of non-contributor, if the work time is over, his or her attitude will be like, time's up, sorry sir, bye, I will do it tomorrow or upcoming days. Next, non-contributor are found always sad, unproductive and non-responsible in their workplace, whereas contributors are always found happy, productive and responsible for the every work they have provided in their working place. Next, contributor is always ready to accept new challenges and they enjoy their entire work. So let us see an example like a new task is given which we have never performed in life. So contributor will think like this is a golden opportunity for me to do something new. Let me give it a try. Whereas non-contributors are always afraid of doing new things, like I won't be able to do this work as I have done, as I have not done this type of work before. So he will always in the tension. Next, non-contributor focus on personal success. So here you can see one example. 5 members are there and one non-contributor person who will take the pride as I have done all the great job. Whereas they work in team and the other member will think that what about us, that what we did in the project. So non-contributors are always focused on personal success. Whereas the contributor focus on we, not I. So in here you can see in the example that they are working in team and they have approaches or attitude like we all have done a great job, well done. So they will work like a team and unity. So here I end my session. Thank you all of you.